Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Strategic Tutorials. Today we have come with our new video on store accounting. Today we will discuss basically the element of cost and its segregation into fixed, variable according to the natures and others, and EOQ, that is economic ordering quantity, and the store accounting basically, that is FIFO, LIFO and weighted average. Under three method we will discuss. Hope you will enjoy and it will help you enormously in your studies. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell button on all, so all times when the notification will come, it will come instantly to you. So let's start. So today's discussion, classification of cost sheet. I will describe what is cost sheet and what is the basic formula of cost sheet. Then I will come to economic ordering quantity. This is the most important one. How much you will order to fulfill your target, production target basically, which will match with your production target. So that much of store item you should keep in store. So how many numbers of order you have to provide in a year, that will calculate through economic ordering quantity. Next I will come the store account, that is FIFO, LIFO, first in first out, last in first out and weighted average. So I am coming first on classification of cost. On the basis of nature of expenses, the cost can be classified material, labor and overhead into three broad items: material, labor and overhead and other expenses. Next, on the basis of relation to the cost centers, that is, there are two types of cost centers, that is direct and indirect. Direct can be classified material, labor, expenses. Similarly, indirect also classified into material, labor and expenses. On the basis of functions and activities, cost can be classified production cost, administration cost, selling marketing cost, distribution cost, R&D, research and development cost. These are the broad segregations of cost on the basis of functions and activities. Next, on the basis of the behavior, cost can be classified into fixed, variable, semi-variable, semi-fixed. You can ask me one question: what is semi-fixed? Fixed cost is fixed cost, and what is semi-fixed? No, fixed cost is not fixed for all times. For example, rent. Rent is fixed for the agreement period. Then automatically it will enhance 10%, 15% according to the clause you have taken in agreement basically. So automatically there will be a jump in the second level. So that is semi-fixed expenses. Now I am coming one of the most important, that is cost sheet. Cost sheet is the basic of costing. When you will produce some items, you have to ascertain what is the actual cost of that product, so that you can take in the margin and you can sell. So it is very important. So cost sheet, the first part is direct material consumed, that is opening stock of raw material at purchase less closing stock of raw material. Then you add direct wages and direct expenses, you will get prime cost. So my dear friends, always remember prime cost is basically 40% of the total cost of certain items. Factory, then you add factory overhead, that is you will get works cost, then office and administration overhead, then you will get the cost of production. You have to add opening stock of finished goods and less closing stock of finished goods, that is cost of goods sold. You add selling and distribution overhead, that is cost of sale, then add profit on cost, you will get sale price. So this is the cost sheet. Now I am coming the most important part of economic ordering quantity. Already I have described what is economic ordering quantity. So basic requirements are annual demand. What is your annual demand of certain product? Ordering cost per order and stock holding cost or stock carrying cost, whatever it may be. Here I have taken annual demand 10,000 kg, ordering cost 20 per order, stock holding cost rupees 5 per kg. So we have to find out economic ordering quantity, EOQ, number of orders, frequency, time gaps between two orders, total ordering cost, total holding cost. So I am coming one by one. Economic ordering quantity, the basic formula is root over 2 into AB by C. A equals to annual demand, but it is 10,000 kg. B is equal to ordering cost 20 rupees and C is equal to holding cost 5 rupees per kg. So automatically if you put the formula, you will get 400 kg. So your EOQ, economic ordering quantity, is 400 kg. So you have to order, per order you have to give the order of 400 kg each. Now I am coming number of orders. So that is the formula, annual demand divided by EOQ. So 10,000 kg divided by 400 kg, that is 25 numbers of order you have to provide in per annum. What is the frequency? Frequency of time gap, that is number of days basically. So number of days divided by number of order, that is 365 by 25, say 15 days. That is a time gap. You have to, after 15 days, you have to put one order of 400 kg. Total ordering cost 25 into 20, that is 500. Total holding cost, half of EOQ into holding cost. This is the basic formula. So it is coming 500 rupees. Total annual cost, that is annual demand divided by EOQ into cost per order plus EOQ into half. So by formula it is coming 1,000 rupees. So these are the basic formula. You have to do all the exercise and you have to put all your solutions and problems basis on these formulas only. Now I am coming the store accounting. So I have already explained. So today we will discuss FIFO, LIFO and weighted average. So these are the problem. The problem is the opening stock 5,000 units, rate is 35. On January 3 purchase 2,000 units, rate is 38. On the day of 5th, sell 3,000 units. On the day of 8th, sale is 1,000 units. January 12 purchased 4,000 units again at the rate of 40 rupees. January 20 sale 3,000 units. January 25 purchase 5,000 units at the rate 22. January 30th sale 3,000 units. So basis on this problem, we have to do the three different types of store accounting, that is FIFO, LIFO and weighted average. So first I am coming FIFO, first in first out. So store opening balance 5,000 unit 35, total 1,75,000. On third we have purchased 2,000 unit at the rate of 38, so 76,000. So in FIFO you have to separately keep this item, simply because for easy identification of the particular product. In the case of issue on next day 5th January, that is 3,000 units, so first entry taken by 35, so it will come first. Automatically the balance will remain 2,000 units at the rate of 35. Similarly on 8, 1,000 units issued again, it will come from 35 only, so balance 1,000 units will be here, and 2,000 units is remain same at the rate of 38, 76,000. By this order you will get the cost of closing stock, that is 1,50,000. Next I am coming LIFO, last in first out. So here the same opening balance 5,000 units. On third we have purchased 2,000 units at the rate of 38. So I will separately keep this item. On 5th 2,000 units 38, simply because it is LIFO, last in first out. So which has entered last, that will issue to the production first. On the basis you will get the cost of closing stock 1,89,000. So on 1st January 5,000 units, that was the opening balance at the rate 35, total 1,75,000. Next on 3rd we have purchased 2,000 units at the rate of 38, total 76,000. So you have to add the quantity 5,000 plus 2,000, that is 7,000. Similarly 76,000 plus 1,75,000, total is 2,51,000. So ultimately if you divide 2,51,000 divided by 7,000, automatically the rate, average rate is coming 35 rupees 86 paisa, 35.86. Next on 3rd and on 8th there are two issues, 3,000 and 1,000 in the same rate. On 12th again one purchase is there, that is 4,000 units at the rate of 40, so 1,60,000. So automatically 3,000 plus 4,000, total 7,000, and the amount should be this. So average rate is 38.22. Similar way you will get the cost of closing stock 1,75,265. Thank you viewers. Thank you all for watching my video. Hope you have understood it thoroughly. The different topics I have discussed, that is EOQ, FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, and cost, different types of cost and element of cost and its segregations. So again I am coming with my new video next time. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell button, so automatically our fresh notification should arrive you instantly. So keep watching. Thank you very much.